Hey there, Bye Smart Squad! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gizmos so you can make the best buying decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a showdown between two robot vacuums that promise to keep your floors spick and span. On the left, we have the Lefant M210, aka the Pet Hair Slayer, and on the right, the Roborock Qrevo S, or as I like to call it, the Luxury Floor Butler. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Perfect if you want your home clean without having to sell a kidney. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S is priced at a jaw-dropping $799. That's right, folks, for that price, it better not just clean my floors, but also make me a latte and tell me I'm pretty. So if you're on a budget, Lefant's got your back. But if you're feeling fancy, Roborock's ready to roll out the red carpet. Next up, let's talk design. The Lefant M210 is compact with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just under 3 inches. It's like the ninja of vacuums, stealthy and able to sneak under your furniture to capture those dust bunnies. Meanwhile, the Roborock Qrevo S is a bit more bulky, but it compensates with a sleek, futuristic look that screams, "I come in peace, but I leave no dirt behind." So if you've got low furniture, Lefant's your undercover agent. If you want something that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, Roborock's your guy. Now, let's get down to the real dirt, suction power. The Lefant M210 has a respectable suction capability, thanks to its unique brushless suction port that ensures pet hair and dirt go straight into the dustbin. No more hair tangles, which, let's be honest, is a blessing for all the pet parents out there. But the Roborock Qrevo S takes things to a whole new level with a whopping 7,000 pascals suction. It's like the Hulk of vacuums, ready to smash any dirt in its path. If you need something that can suck the soul out of your carpets, Roborock's got you covered. Cleaning modes, anyone? The Lefant M210 offers 6 different modes, including auto clean, spot clean, and even a zigzag clean. Though, PSA, don't use that on carpets unless you want your vacuum to do the cha-cha. On the flip side, the Roborock Qrevo S is all about that high-tech life with its dynamic dual-spinning mops and 30 adjustable water flow levels. You can customize the cleaning intensity like you're a DJ at a rave. So if you want variety and simplicity, Lefant's your go-to. If you're into advanced tech and customization, Roborock's got the moves. And now, the smart features. The Lefant M210 comes with an upgraded app and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and check the cleaning area. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't judge your messy floors. But wait, the Roborock Qrevo S isn't just smart, it's a genius. With PresaSense LiDAR navigation, 3D mapping, and AI algorithms, it's practically a robot overlord. It can even save maps for up to 4 levels of your home. So if you want basic but effective smart features, Lefant's got you. If you want your vacuum to feel like it's plotting world domination, Roborock's the one. Finally, let's talk maintenance. The Lefant M210 has a long-life battery that runs up to 120 minutes in low suction mode. You'll get a good, thorough clean without constantly recharging. The Roborock Qrevo S, however, takes convenience to a whole new level with its advanced docking station. It auto-washes its mop, dries it with hot air, refills its water tank, and can self-empty for up to 7 weeks. It's like the Swiss Army knife of docking stations. So if you want low maintenance, go Lefant. If you want practically no maintenance, go Roborock. Reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a good deal for the price, especially for pet owners. It's compact and effective, though it may struggle a bit with carpets and sometimes has connectivity issues. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S is praised for its powerful suction, advanced features, and low maintenance needs. However, some users have faced difficulties with the app connectivity. Overall, the Lefant M210 is seen as affordable and efficient, while the Roborock Qrevo S is considered a high-end, high-performance option. So there you have it, by Smart Squad. The Lefant M210 is your budget-friendly, pet hair-busting, undercover cleaning agent, while the Roborock Qrevo S is your high-tech, powerful, and almost self-sufficient luxury floor butler. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.